I know it's been a really long time since you guys have seen anything on the Subi, but I have a ton of parts to show you guys. I'm gonna try to split up the content with them so I can actually make more content, but I'm not gonna waste any time on this intro. Just gonna get short, sweet, and to the point. I need to update you guys on everything we've done to the Subi. I mean, it's not really a lot, but I mean, there's just some things that I would like to point out. There she is. I haven't been able to drive the Subaru in over a week. So I've been driving it all day. The smiles I've gotten on my face from this car today, I love it so much. So I kind of took a little hiatus. I wasn't really in a good spot mentally. So I kind of took a break from the videos, got rid of 2 of the cars. I'm down to 3 now, if you count the truck. So first things first, you guys remember I changed the headlights originally. Then when I destroyed the bumper, this one had like a long scratch on it. They also had these little like orange, they were like deflectors like that, but a lot bigger. Honestly, I like the headlights better than the OEM ones, but I didn't really like the headlights. These, however, are exactly what I want. If you look at them, you can tell that they're like sequential. I actually can adjust the speed of the sequential turn signal, so I can make it go as fast or slow as I want. Also, don't mind how filthy she is. I drove the car for about a week and then I didn't wash it. I usually wash it every week, but the wheels are filthy. Oh, that being said, you guys haven't even seen the new wheels. So I actually deleted like 3 or 4 videos. I had a video with the Porsche. I've only made 1 video with the Porsche, and I made a second one. It was a really long, well edited, like honestly some of my best work. It was really well recorded. Like I really liked how that video was going, but mentally, I don't know, the videos weren't it for me at the time. But I deleted the video of me installing the headlights, and then I also deleted the video of the new wheel reveal, which, to be honest, these wheels are gonna go back for a different color. Right now, they just look black. I promise you they're not black. They look black. They are not black. Well, they're black with a purple pearl over them, so I guess they are. They shine really pretty in the sun. I'll put a picture up on the screen. But when they get any brake dust on them at all, which I have the slotted rotors in the front and rear, so they get a lot of brake dust, they lose all of their color. I mean, you can see it's a big difference, but they really only pop in the sun. If you watched the last video that I uploaded before my little hiatus, I guess you could call it, you'll know that I installed the short hub and the Volante wheel. We actually did end up getting the purple quick release. I honestly never thought I would do a quick release in this car because I wanted like an OEM Plus look on the interior, but I do love the quick release. Another thing I did in the interior, I finally replaced the old head unit that I had in here, but it was like $200 and it has wireless CarPlay, so this thing is an absolute steal. This was definitely one of the better purchases that I made for this car. Definitely glad I did that. For those of you who are still wondering, yes, we do still have the 944. I know I have not touched this car since I got it, but I will eventually start this car, hopefully soon. You can see I actually went and did a first layer of paint correction and it came out pretty good. Well, this is the first and second, and then this is the second. I mean, you can see the line. The only problem was my back started hurting. I spent all day doing this. I washed the car, clay barred the car, then I started doing that. But when I got to this clear coat over here and it started burning like that, I decided to take a break and never got back to doing it. But yeah, that paint definitely will clean up a lot nicer than it was. I mean, but yeah, so we got the quick release, the head unit. What else did we do? The wheels, the headlights, and oh, I didn't record it. It was a really big, like, I'm like hella proud of myself for this, but me, a couple of buddies, mainly Patrick. Pat, if you're watching this, I love you. You're literally just goated, dude. Pretty much all of my friends came over and put a hand on the car. I mean, everybody was wrenching on the car. But we actually dropped the transmission because the clutch went out. We did a stage 1 XD clutch kit. I replaced some of the shifter bushings, not the rear linkage bushings, but yeah, we did that. So we have a new clutch, new headlights. Also, I took the front windshield tint off because I got pulled over for it. Also, I was falling asleep when driving that thing, dude. The tint was just, whoo. That pretty much catches you guys up to speed. Now I'm going to show you all the parts that I bought. These Dunkin' iced coffees, really good, really good. They actually give me energy too. They don't really make me sick, kind of like Monster makes me really sick. Red Bull is usually okay, I just get a little shaky. All the flavors are good. The only problem I have with these, they say shake to wake. So I guess to wake the caffeine, I don't know how that works. But it always does that. I mean, I'd expect it to do that. So to run you guys through everything we have here, right here is very obviously a front lip, which we're going to install in this video most likely. To install the front lip, I went ahead and bought a drill and some bits. Just bought the cheapest one I could at Walmart. Right here we have the Brom Racing harness bar and harnesses. Take a guess at what color the harnesses are. Right here we have D2 lowering springs. I eventually do want to bag this car. That being said, I went ahead and bought springs because this thing just sits way too high. Yeah, I can literally like almost fit a fist in there. This right here is the rear diffuser kit for the GD chassis Subarus. This is from Icy Aero. So I have all of that stuff to install, but like I said, that's really just a teaser. Today we're gonna be starting simple with a front lip. So all these other parts, I got, you know, D2 springs, Icy Aero diffuser, Brom harness and harness bar. This is the only thing I bought from Amazon. The headlights I actually got from eBay. I'll see if I can find the link, and maybe I'll put the link to all of this stuff in the description. Wait, there isn't hardware. Did it really not come with hardware? Use the provided screws. Hold up. Okay, well, I played myself. Five screws from my fender flares. Instead of buying hardware, yes, I'm reusing hardware from the truck. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, I actually really like it. Okay. This right here, I'm gonna probably end up pulling in like that. For a $75 Amazon lip, I'm okay with it. Ooh, she needs a bath, but she is looking so good. So, I got her all washed up. I just polished a turd. I can't lie, I am actually in love with the lip. Right now you can actually see the true color of the wheels because they're hitting the sun. I was actually planning on wrapping this car. I actually bought a little bit of wrap. But if you look back here, all this really just, the car just needs to be repainted. Fixed a dent right here. Fixed a dent right here as well. Though honestly, it would be a lot better if I just got the whole thing repainted. But yeah, I think the lip looks just so much better. Now the only problem is we have to actually fix this gap and lower it for real. So yeah, there's a lot of good stuff coming. Stuff is really going good right now. But yeah, if you got this far, I really appreciate you. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your friends and family, and that's really all I have. Mint.